How can I bulk upload users to my Moodle?
There are several methods for bulk uploading users to your Moodle site. As administrator, click the Site Administration link and from the Plugins tab, scroll down to Authentication, Manage Authentication. Here you see the list of plugins which allow you to add users. Those greyed out are not active, but you can enable them by clicking the eye to open. However, in this video, we're simply going to bulk upload users in a file. First, we need to prepare our file offline. We can either use a simple text editor such as Notepad or Gedit, or use a spreadsheet program such as Excel or LibreOffice Calc. If you can use a simple text editor, it's better because sometimes saving in Excel can cause problems. On the first line, we add the fields we must have and the fields we want to have. We must have username, first name, last name, email. We can also add password and give everyone the same password and request they change it when they first access the site, or we can let Moodle choose the password and send each new user an email. Let's do that. We can also use this file to add users directly into courses with certain roles, for example the student role or teacher role. So we add a field Course 1 and Role 1 for our first course. If we want to add more courses, we simply add Course 2 and Role 2. For this, we need to use the short name of an already existing course, such as here. To add students, we say student, and for teachers, we say editing teacher. The documentation gives more information. So our file looks like this. We're going to add 10 students and 1 teacher to 2 courses we have already made on the site. We make sure the file is saved as a CSV file and then upload it from Site Administration, Users, Upload Users. Here we can preview the file and can check certain settings. For example, we decided to let Moodle create the password and send notification via email. Then we upload it, our users are added and enrolled into their courses. To summarize, new accounts may be created with the text, a CSV file, uploaded from Upload Users in Site Administration. You can also, optionally, add users into courses and give them roles in those courses.